Oh, no, did they? Howdy and what a gone to all the massives. Just enough big up and having a beautiful day. Just wanted to share a little piece of poetry with you today because you know what? Don't know. My boy Usain Bolt. Enough big up to him every time. And this one is just dedicated to him. Wanna get me? Listen up now. Enough people they think it foolish to see a king a ride a colt. Let me see if I remember. Alright, where was I again? I was talking about my brethren Usain Bolt. I know that he doesn't know me personally, but hey, he's a Jamaican and he might be the best Jamaican that he can be. So me have to big him up. You get me? Enough people they think it foolish to see a king a ride a colt. And in the same way them did shun the fact that then give him the last name Bolt. But if me can remember, fasten, secure, and to run off with speed. Everyone else will have to eat me dust as me set off into the lead. And if them think lightning that frightening, tell them step off the grass and watch something striking. Cause Usain for sure will set the tracks boom boom a blazing. Why it's amazing. He was just right there. So where did he go? Oh, so you stand up there gaze. You think this is the Oprah win for sure. Man, take off like Concord and you take time a row. Breeze pass you like how teeth pass foul. You done now. And I'll do. Some people are lick dollar against dollar and bet pound against pound in a bet. I call M word and D word, wondering if him foot them legitimate. Take time through the facts and mind how gossip get to no ears wet. For enough never even see ice a fall from heaven yet. That's why it's hard for them believe is good food, parental and coach training plus innocent sweat. But let it be known, the evidence uno a run down, awaiting uno arrival down a Trelawney yam ground. Yellow yam, soft yam, dasheen and cocoa. Planting banana, pop chow and chocho. And whilst uno inna the midst and uno looking, try set a pan for catch God's anointed sprinkling. Cause some of uno look like uno don't have a inkling. A flash arm and beat chest, but uno still sinking. And while uno a check, to see if him broke any laws, try know that these 2 foot won't the pampas. Won't be logging like a hippo, but running faster than a cheetah. That's why them call him Usain Bolt, king of the 100 meter.